Are you okay?
What? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good.
That's good.
Hey, brother.
A little.
I'll find you a bandage. It's the remote to my dad's TV. There's a Band-Aid in there, I bet.
Oh, good.
There's a Band-Aid in there, I bet.
Oh, good. Lee?
Yeah?
What if my parents come home and I'm not there?
They'll, track us down. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. We should keep a lookout. I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me until then, okay? Let's have a look at that finger. Ow.
It hurt.
Let's see if we can do something about it. Let's get this cut covered up.
Yes, please.
That's the door to the pharmacy. We should be able to find pills for Larry in there. It's locked. We need to track down the keys if we're gonna help Larry. There's a photo over there.
Find anything?
Just a picture of whoever was here.
I know who you are. You're Lee Everett. You're a professor at Athens who killed a state senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks around town know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come handy. Did you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
The world is ending out there. Who cares who I am?
If you don't think people will find any reason to turn on you, especially when the shit hits the fan, you're insane.
Whatever.
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. This world is to take care of it. Look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good. Because if this lasts longer than a few days, you're a detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
Thanks.
Don't worry about it.
Luckily, there's nothing I need in here. How's your finger?
It's okay. Thanks for fixing it.
Everyone out there seem all right to you?
Yeah. Well, maybe not the sick guy.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on him.
There was that thing in the bathroom. It tried to get me.
I know.
But you stopped it.
Yeah, I did.
Can you do that more?
Well, I'm not gonna go looking for him.
I mean, get the dangerous ones.
I'm gonna try.
Good.
Have you heard from Glenn?
Not in a little while.
I'm gonna keep looking around.
Okay.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay. Lee?
Yeah?
You're not bad, right?
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
No, he wasn't.
Oh. Was he bad?
He was. How are we doing?
If you don't mind, I think my family and I are gonna rest for a bit. Let me know if that asshole over there takes a turn for the worse.
You got it. How we doing?
Good. Want to go have a look around outside?
Let's have a look around.
Okay. Eat. As far as I can tell, and whatever's left comes back as one of them. I think it might be more than a couple days before all this gets sorted out.
That's a hasty fortification job over there. Didn't work. Look at the water trap
You're from around here, huh? Could be anybody, you know? They start bodying, shoot up,
He could have worked at the drugstore and died with keys in his pocket.
Somebody prove that he worked here. I think it'd be worth it.
See what I can find. Can't reach that brick. Can't reach that brick.
Think you can do anything with this? I used to fiddle around with stuff like that when I was a kid, but I don't know what to do with it now.
You're a strange guy, Dad.
Hey man, what are you doing? I can't even think about going out there unless the keys are out there for sure.
Think you can do anything with this? What's that?
It's universal. I can program it to work with those TVs across the street. Just let the power stop.
You can just do that?
I memorized all the codes from the TV. Let's try.
Well fucking done, Doc. All that door nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't? I got a few of them to take notice.
Can't reach that brick. Let's head back inside.
Okay.